This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Fijian-style pie. First, gather your ingredients, which typically include root vegetables like taro or cassava, and often canned corned beef or fish. You'll also need coconut milk, onions, and various spices to build the rich, savory base. This dish is a staple in Fijian cuisine, known for its comforting and hearty nature, perfect for family gatherings or a satisfying meal. To create the delicious filling, begin by browning your protein, whether it's canned corned beef or fresh fish, in a large pan. Next, add your diced root vegetables like taro or cassava, ensuring uniform pieces for even cooking. Incorporate sautéed onions and garlic, then simmer everything with coconut milk and a blend of spices until the vegetables are tender and flavors meld beautifully. This step is crucial for a rich, aromatic pie. Now it's time to assemble your Fijian pie. Start by lining a baking dish with a simple, homemade pastry crust, pressing it gently to fit. Carefully pour the savory filling into the crust, spreading it evenly. You can add a top crust if desired. Bake the pie in a preheated oven at about 375 degrees Fahrenheit until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling, usually taking around 45 minutes. Once your Fijian pie is out of the oven, let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. This allows the filling to set, making for cleaner cuts and a more enjoyable serving experience. Serve it warm, perhaps with a side salad, to complete a truly satisfying meal. This traditional dish is perfect for sharing and celebrating. Also, for other great deals and the link to grab some Little Trees black ice, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.